Here's Adobe Photoshop version 7 and it cannot save the file. Could not save that certain file because the disk is full. Well, the problem is not with the free space of the disk but the size of the disk. So if I open a File Explorer window, File Explorer, my desktop is on a large 2 terabyte drive, and since this is Photoshop version 7, it's too old, it cannot see two large hard disks, so the solution is to save simply to a different location which is smaller. So go to File, Save As, this PC, and choose a smaller disk, that's 200 gigabytes. The other ones are 3 terabytes and 2 terabytes. So choose a smaller one and choose your extension, let's say that one, PNG, and there you can save it. Okay, and the error message is gone.